Okay, we have an appointment with a decision maker. So just prior to the appointment, open up the Snapshot Report for the business. Then go to Google and do a search for a specific product, service, or category for that business in its local market. Click on the View All in the Maps area and open it in another tab. Lastly, open another tab and go directly to their website if they have one. You should have 4 web pages open and you are all set. Okay, you have your prospect on a call. They have the Snapshot Report or you're screen sharing with them. Open it up and take a look at it. The snapshot looks into the 6 areas that define a business's digital footprint. These areas include listings, reviews, social, website, e-commerce, and advertising. The essentials to getting more new customers from digital marketing. The first area to drill down into is how the business is doing in listings. In order to get ranked higher by Google, a business needs to give Google what it wants: accurate, verifiable, updated data. When a search occurs, Google decides what businesses to show in what order based on their ranking. Every business is interested in more traffic from Google, particularly when it's free. In order to get more traffic, they need to improve their Google rank. One way to achieve this is the off-page SEO tactic called listings management or backlinking. When Google ranks a business, it checks what other sites are linking to the business and if the information on all these sites is precise. This part of the report illustrates to the prospect how well they are doing in the area of listings management. There is also a summary list of all available listing sites and what the accuracy status is of the business on each site. There is almost always room for improvement in this area for every small business. Managing and updating these listings is crucial to ranking higher and to getting more new customers from free search on Google. And the platform does it automatically for them. This is a great starting point for most businesses to recognize that they have a problem that they're unaware of. Another key area of concern is managing a business's online reputation. Reviews are excellent conversion tools and play a significant role in gaining the trust of a new potential customer. But more importantly, a review acts as a signal to Google that the business is operational. These signals have a massive impact on a business's Google ranking in both Google search and local search, or maps. By tracking, requesting, monitoring, and responding to reviews, any business can get ranked higher and found more often in search results. Again, the platform automatically manages reviews for the business. This is an area where you can get more traffic for free from Google with a little attention. Next, pull up the business's website, assuming they have one. We do not want to focus on the website as they are often subjective and can be a real landmine to the sales process. Instead, look for the presence of conversion tools like online ordering or appointment scheduling to see if they need help in these areas. The approach here is let's focus on driving traffic to the existing website. Suggest that we prove out results to them first, then discuss the website at a later date. Next, go to the Google search results page where you have done a search for the product, service, or category the business provides. Be sure to have included the city or service area's name in the search to make it localized. You will typically see ads, both keywords at the top of the page and local ads in the map section. These are the competitors. If you are screen sharing, show the customer who is getting the traffic that they could be getting from Google. It creates urgency. Then see if you can find the business in the organic or natural listings. In this case, the business is ranked in 40th place. Remember, 92% of all introductions occur on the first page only, so there is little to no chance of free traffic from Google when you are on page 4 or 5. Showing a business where they rank and who of their competitors is outranking them is a compelling way to engage them. Next, go to the Maps tab that you have previously opened. Again, notice the ads from competitors and the businesses that are outranking the business in question. In this case, our business is not listed in the top 20, so we have to keep scrolling to find them. No one does this in real life, so again, this business is missing out on free traffic from Google search. It's going to their competitors. Again, this is all about the rank this business has from Google. In this case, the business is in position 101, located on page 6. Again, this business has a lot of room for improvement and really needs help.